let's do it. I'm scared. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's hair sponsor is Wiggins Hair. This is their beautiful lace on this beautiful wig with this Brazilian natural wave. Y'all are going crazy over this, but yeah. So yeah, let's just get right into the video, and all hair details will be in the description box below. She's so cute, like a little cabbage patch. She crazy too. No, I really need my eyebrows done, and I don't got my lashes on. Hey y'all, what's poppin'? I haven't talked to y'all since I really got my hair done. I didn't even think I talked in there, but this hair is by Wiggins Hair, so make sure y'all check them out. Everything will be in the description box below like normal, you already know. But yeah, I'm loving this hair. So anyway, so today's Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. I got my hair done, and y'all know I've been wanting to sage. Y'all know I've been wanting to find sage, and I said that it might get ready with me, and y'all told me that it's at Whole Foods. And y'all, I went to Whole Foods today and I found it. So I ended up getting the white sage, and then what is this, some like herbal like incense type of thing. I'm gonna like this too, but I'm just gonna clean my room real quick, then I'm gonna cleanse myself. I just want to cleanse myself just because like I have really bad, well not really bad, but I just been having a lot of anxiety. I've been having a lot of, you know, I feel like I've been like having a lot of stress and pain on my heart, like a lot of negative energy like on my heart, and I just feel it like real heavy like in my body. I don't know, it's hard to explain. So I've been wanting to sage, and when I got my cards read, the lady told me that she was like, you need to cleanse, like you really need to cleanse, like blah blah blah. I just never got around to it because I didn't know where to find sage. So now I'm so excited. I'm about to do this. I just want to feel refreshed, rejuvenated, clean start. I'm about to edit a video tomorrow. I'm about to film. I just want to have a clean, fresh, positive energy like for the rest of the year. So let me know in the comments, have you saged before and how did you feel after you saged, the area you lived in, your body. I'm probably gonna wrap it around me and stuff like that just to, you know, get rid of the energy, the negative energy. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So let me just clean my room real quick because it's looking a little messy. And then yeah, we're gonna get the burning. Okay, let's my window because that's what she said to do. Because she said to get it all over. So, oh, bro, I can look at my neighbor's window inside their house. Their house look creepy as shit. Like, have you seen that movie with Shia LaBeouf with the neighbor? What's it called? I don't know. But yeah. So we're gonna get to cleaning. So yeah, so I'm just gonna say a prayer and stuff before. I'm just gonna talk to myself and just prepare to cleanse, and then cleanse my room, and then just go all over the place. I do have a small one because I don't know how this is gonna go. So, and this is my first time doing it, so let's do it. I'm scared. Scared. This looks like a spark. This looks like a firework, so I don't know how this is gonna go, so we'll see. I'm scared. So I'm just gonna put this in my candle so it can just burn for a little second. So yeah, so but I have to get ready because I have to make an Instagram post today for a company. So I'm about to just put some makeup on for that and go ahead and do that. But yeah, today was just like a cleansing day. I can't really recommend this yet because I don't know how it's gonna work or how I'm gonna feel, but I'm definitely gonna keep y'all updated on, like, you know. But I'm definitely calmed down. My body feels calm. Like, as I was saying before, I was feeling some type of like heavy weight on my heart, but now it's kind of, I'm not even trying to be dramatic, it's like light. I don't know, I really can't explain this feeling. And I will talk to y'all later. Just stay positive. I just want y'all to know that whatever y'all going through, just take the steps, the road to positivity, and that it will all be okay. So good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I slept in my makeup. Don't do that. But I'm about to watch my makeup off, and then I'm about to go to the gym. Oh my god, my lace didn't get fucked up. I'm about to lay my baby hairs, put my scarf on real quick. Then I'm gonna go to the gym for like 30 minutes and then come back home and get some work done today. I have 2 clothing hauls I need to film, but first I'm gonna do one, and then the other one I'll probably film tomorrow because I really want to get the editing done for the one. I'm just gonna make sure today is productive. I want to get all my shit done today. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, go get an acai bowl and a coffee, and come back and get my shit done. Hey y'all, so today is Sunday. Yesterday I really didn't vlog just because it was really like a work day. I filmed a try on haul, and then yeah, that consisted of basically my whole day, because when I got back from the gym I went to the mall. Let me show y'all the shoes I got. I went to the mall because I really wanted these Jordan 1 shoes, mid, but they didn't have them, but I still wanted these ones too, and they just so happen to have these, and they're so freaking cute, y'all. Like, oh my god, I love getting fun Nike shoes like this. I don't even wear shoes like that, but I like really stylish shoes that I can really like see myself wearing and stuff like that. That's why I really want those Jordans, just because I know I'm gonna wear them with sweats and stuff like that. But anyways, y'all are going crazy over this hair, but in the beginning of this vlog, y'all already found out what hair this is. This is Wiggins hair. This is a wig, and all the details are in the description box below. And yeah, I had went on Instagram, posted a video yesterday. Y'all are going crazy, but today is picture day, so I am about to do my baby hairs real quick because they're looking a little crazy. And today I'm just gonna have like a little cute day with my mother, with my mama. Like, we just probably finna kick it today, nothing major. But I am gonna finish editing my try on haul so it can go up today. I have a couple videos to edit, and then I gotta do one more try on haul when I get back home. I don't feel like doing it right now just because I need to finish the one I just had. But yeah, I need to wet my hair because it's a little dry, but I'm not gonna do that until I'm about to leave because I want it to be flat and like wet looking. Just do my baby hairs with the Main Choice, the styling gel sometimes, and then I'll use Got to Be Glue sometimes too. But yeah, I gotta make the fake little hairs right here. This is so hard. Like, I hope this vlog is not boring, but I'm about to leave in a second to do stuff, so it won't be that boring because yesterday I was in the house the majority of the day. So yeah, we should have a fun ass Sunday. Okay y'all, so let me show y'all the look for today. So this jacket from Zara, this shirt from Zara, pants from Walmart, Hanes men's section, and then I just have on my white Balenciagas with some high-rise socks. See how you can just make a cheap ass outfit look bomb as fuck. But anyways, I'm about to go grab a snack and then head out, so I will see y'all in a minute. So it's been a day, and me and my mama went to Chicago, and I really couldn't vlog in the mall, but I had to take my Louis Vuitton Never Full bag just because it was broke. Now we're about to eat at the Chancery. And I've been editing in the car, so I really haven't been doing shit today, but yeah, we're about to eat. I'm fucking starving as fuck. I've been with my mama all day. How's it like being with me? Help. But y'all, we are at the Chancery. I haven't been here in so long. Ew, look at my nails. What you finna get? Chicken. Oh, what? Y'all, it's too light in here for me. Like, I need to be somewhere sexy and dark. This is just too bright and family oriented.
What? Shut the fuck up, please.
Ew, they got tacos. I just want a burger. I'm a basic hoe. I'm gonna get a burger.
Would you shut up?
God, she was trying to make me change my ways.
You need to change your ways for Jesus.
Mine. Okay y'all, so I just got home, and let me show y'all what I got from the Louis Vuitton store. I was gonna get y'all a giveaway thing, but they didn't have what I wanted to get, so I'm gonna just wait until after I get back from Atlanta, just because I just have too much going on this week, and I'm not gonna have anything else to do. But I did have to get this, y'all. I had to. I have small purses now, and my purses be a mess. I can never find my cards or my ID. So I just got this cute little small wallet thing. It's cute. It's in like the classic version with the button. It's a pink button, and then this is the inside. It's super cute. It was needed, and you know, I don't have to like carry. If I was going out to the club, I could just carry this. I can really put like one of my things on it and then make it like a little purse pouch or something. Yeah, that'll be cute. But yeah, anyway, so I'm not even finna do nothing. I'm finna just edit my video real quick, upload it, and then I'm going to bed because I'm tired. So I guess I'll see y'all in another video. I hope this is a good one. I hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to shop Wiggins Hair Company. This wig is super bomb, and the lace is fire. It's fire. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. The Atlanta vlogs are coming up, so it's gonna get lit. It's gonna turn it up a notch, baby girl. So yeah, and I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next video. Bye.